Welcome, seekers of purpose. Today, let's delve into the journey of finding your true calling. Here are 3 points to guide you on this profound quest. By the way, my name is Galit, and I'm a yoga and meditation teacher and a manifestation coach. Number 1, reflect on your passions. Take a moment to reflect on what truly ignites your soul. What activities make you lose track of time? What brings you joy and fulfillment? Your passions hold clues to your purpose. Number 2, listen to your inner voice. Amidst the noise of the world, silence your mind and listen to the whispers of your inner voice. What values resonate deeply within you? What dreams and aspirations stir your heart? Trust in your intuition to guide you towards your true path. Number 3, serve others with your gifts. True fulfillment often comes from serving others with your unique gifts and talents. How could you use your skills to make a positive impact in the lives of those around you? When you align your purpose with service, you create a ripple effect of love and of kindness. Remember, the journey to discovering your purpose is a deeply personal one. Embrace the exploration, trust the process, and have faith in your own inner wisdom. Your purpose awaits you, ready to unfold in divine timing. Thank you for joining me on this journey. May you walk your path with courage, clarity, and with compassion. Until next time, stay true to your purpose. Namaste. Please like this video, comment below if you can relate, follow and subscribe to this channel for more meditation, manifestation, and motivational content.